There are no warehousing problems that cannot be resolved by engineering, resorting to materials such as masonry, metallic and timber structures, cement, galvanized iron, among others. However, these solutions, although effective, are expensive and time-consuming. They demand land surveys, excavations, foundations, ground preparation, and the right equipment, not to mention the contracting and payment of labor for the work, in addition to the time and costs of planning and the obtaining of building licenses. But have you ever considered that the best solution in your case might well be a great idea instead of a great building? The Pistelli air-supported pavilion, manufactured according to the latest technology, could be the answer to all your warehousing and space covering needs, whether used as an annex to a production unit or factory, as a warehouse for raw materials, packaging materials, or finished products. Because of its extraordinary characteristics, its application has been extended with great success to the housing of areas for temporary or even long-term use, such as coverings for swimming pools, games fields, performance spaces, and trade fairs. It is the perfect solution for those who seek security and efficiency together with a good appearance, since the Pistelli Pavilion allows you to organize with a minimum of time and labor a space made to measure and to your own requirements, a place that can fit in with any decorations and into any surroundings. Using computerized calculations, our team of professionals designs the Pistelli Pavilion exactly to the required measurements, case by case, planning the use of the functional space in its length, breadth and height, together with the number and sizes of the entrance doors, in such a way that takes into account the method of anchoring the structure to the ground and the nature of the site where it is to be installed. The most revolutionary aspect of this system is how the structure is supported. This is done by air blown by fans driven by electric or diesel motors of a design and dimension appropriate to each case. The fans and the air outlet points are designed to completely renew the air on average every 15 minutes, maintaining the temperature and reducing the level of humidity inside the pavilion. The Pistelli system can provide large open spaces, since there are no internal pillars nor any need for intermediate supports. This means that the whole space can be made use of, including vertical storage, owing to the height of the headroom. Access to the interior of the warehouse is by folding doors, arranged according to the wishes of each client. For places where there are large numbers of vehicles going in and out, the Pistelli uses automatic doors, controlled remotely by the warehouseman or by the driver of the vehicle. More and more clients are finding that hiring Pistelli air-supported pavilions provides the answer to their problems. They can be hired for different lengths of time according to the needs of the moment. Hiring is a convenient and economic solution, always rapidly available when needed. Consult us. Our technical team is at your disposal to examine each situation and provide the most appropriate Pistelli pavilion. When you are dealing with a product as revolutionary as the Pistelli Pavilion, it is natural for clients to have doubts which they would like to clarify. We will try to give the following answers to the most common questions. How durable are the Pistelli pavilions? If the manufacturer's instructions are followed, a Pistelli pavilion can last 20 years. Can we be certain that they are not inflammable? Due to the non-inflammable materials used in their manufacture, polyester fabric clad with flexible PVC, the Pistelli pavilions do not spread fire. What is the degree of resistance? Pistelli pavilions have been subjected to the most stringent tests and always with the same results. They can endure a rent of up to 2 meters without affecting their configuration. Any repairs can be done where and when necessary easily and without the need for special equipment. Do they use much energy? The high output fan, developed by Pistelli themselves, utilizes blades with variable angles, adjustable for each case. What is the consumption? If we establish a comparison, its consumption is equivalent to that of an air conditioner, and in the case of an electricity failure, the air-cooled diesel auxiliary motor begins to function. How long does it take to install one of these pavilions? It normally takes no more than 5 days from the moment of ordering to its final installation. This rapidity is possible because Pistelli works with a flexible system of parts and semi-finished modules. What is the cost? This depends obviously on each situation, but we can confirm that the cost of the Pistelli Pavilion is on average 80% cheaper than that of a conventional prefabricated building. Is it possible to know who are your principal clients? Pistelli air-supported pavilions, the best engineering solutions.